Santa Ana Park, Nai, Cavite. Ah, D as in DC, past to be in Sheila Princess, and rising up from the outside is reality show. On the federal side is getting personal. Alongside is entry number 11 Hepburn, and on the federal side number 14, and this one is Gondor. There's a spell. Number 13, Mike Some Lady, then Camanero. D as in DC, on the distance, followed by Gondor. And racing third by the reality show. And racing in fourth is getting personal. My lucky one is racing in fifth, Sheila Princess. Burn number one guided me, provising down on the inside. And then reporter King Brana second last. And successor is running at the tail. The Dixie Gondor from the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Reality into rushing up, is getting personal. And my lucky one guided me, shall have burned King Aljun, Sheila Prince, Provising Rabi Hoy, Sovereign and successor is running in 13, racing towards the final turn and into the exact Montana stretch run with the outstanding favorite D as in Dixie by some 5 lengths now. Gondor getting one down on the inside. King Aljun is racing from the outside. Reporter by Darrell and nearing the finish line. Stunning favorite, and this one is D. Dixie. Second, King Aljun getting first. My one is Sobrana close. Guided Misa reporter for your Super